How to buy money on Fire Kirin. Hi guys, it's Makran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to buy money on Fire Kirin. Buying money on Fire Kirin is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Fire Kirin app. Launch the Fire Kirin app on your mobile device and log into your account. Navigate to shop or purchase section. Look for an option like shop, store or buy credits within the app. This is usually found in the main menu or under your profile setting. Select the amount. Choose the amount of in-game currency or credit you want to purchase. The app should display various options with different price points. Choose a payment method. Select your preferred payment method. Common options include debit card, credit card, PayPal or in-game purchase through your device App Store or Google Play Store. Confirm your purchase. After selecting your payment method, review the details and confirm your purchase. The money should be added to your account immediately. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.